Hey, I'm Top 5 Trey, and today we're taking an in-depth look at the GameSir G7 Pro wireless gaming controller, a feature-packed controller designed for gamers who want premium performance, advanced customization, and reliable wireless connectivity across multiple platforms. This controller is built for players who expect more from their gaming gear. Whether you're competing in fast-paced shooters, exploring open-world adventures, racing through intense tracks, or simply looking for a controller that feels comfortable during long sessions, the GameSir G7 Pro positions itself as a complete solution that balances performance, comfort, and versatility. If you want to grab this controller for yourself, I've left a link in the description below, so scroll down and check it out. Right out of the box, the GameSir G7 Pro immediately feels premium. The design is clean and modern, with a shape that feels familiar while incorporating several upgrades that help it stand out from standard controllers. The build quality feels solid throughout. The shell feels durable, the buttons feel well assembled, and nothing about it feels cheap or fragile. From the triggers to the thumbsticks, every part of the controller gives the impression of a product designed for serious gaming. Once you pick it up, comfort quickly becomes one of its strongest features. The ergonomic design fits naturally in your hands, helping reduce fatigue during long gaming sessions. The textured grips provide extra control and stability, which becomes especially useful during competitive matches where every movement matters. Whether you're gaming for an hour or spending an entire evening playing, the controller remains comfortable and easy to use. One of the biggest highlights of the G7 Pro is its Hall effect joystick technology. Traditional analog sticks can develop drift over time, which can negatively affect accuracy and overall gameplay. Hall effect sticks are designed to improve long-term reliability while providing smoother and more precise movement. Whether you're making small aiming adjustments in a shooter or carefully controlling a vehicle in a racing game, the sticks feel responsive and consistent. The triggers are another standout feature. With adjustable trigger functionality, you can customize how they respond depending on the type of game you're playing. For competitive shooters, faster trigger response can help improve reaction time. For racing games and other genres, the full trigger travel provides more precise control. This flexibility allows the controller to adapt to different playstyles and game types. Button responsiveness is excellent across the board. Every input feels quick and accurate, giving you confidence that your commands are being registered exactly when you need them. The face buttons, shoulder buttons, and directional pad all feel consistent and satisfying to use, helping create a smooth overall gaming experience. Another major advantage is the inclusion of programmable back buttons. These additional controls allow you to map important actions to more convenient locations, helping reduce the need to take your thumbs off the sticks during gameplay. For competitive players, this can provide a noticeable advantage. For casual players, it simply adds another layer of customization and convenience. Wireless performance is another area where the G7 Pro performs well. The connection feels stable and responsive, allowing you to enjoy your games without worrying about cables or interruptions. Low latency performance helps ensure that actions feel immediate and connected to what's happening on screen. Whether you're playing casually or competitively, reliable wireless performance is always a welcome feature. Battery life is designed to support extended gaming sessions, helping you spend more time playing and less time worrying about charging. Long battery performance becomes especially valuable for players who regularly game for several hours at a time. And when it does need a recharge, getting back up and running is quick and straightforward. Customization is another area where the G7 Pro shines. Through software support, users can adjust settings, remap controls, and personalize the controller to match their preferences. This level of flexibility helps create a more tailored experience, allowing you to optimize the controller for different games and playstyles. Compatibility is also a strong point. The controller is designed to work across multiple gaming platforms, making it a versatile option for players who use more than one system. Instead of needing separate controllers for different devices, you can enjoy a more streamlined experience with a single controller that adapts to your setup. When it comes to value, the GameSir G7 Pro sits in a very competitive position. It combines premium features like Hall effect sticks, programmable buttons, wireless connectivity, and customization options into one package. Many of these features are often found in significantly more expensive controllers, making the G7 Pro an attractive option for gamers looking for strong performance without overspending. Over time, comfort, reliability, and consistency tend to matter more than flashy extras. The G7 Pro focuses on delivering those core strengths, helping create an experience that feels dependable every time you pick it up. Overall, the GameSir G7 Pro wireless gaming controller is a well-rounded controller that brings together comfort, customization, and performance into one complete package. If you're looking for a controller that offers premium gaming features, strong build quality, and reliable performance without unnecessary complexity, this is definitely one worth considering. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe and turn on post notifications, because out of your top 5 best decisions, this could easily be one of them.